She's beautiful.
She's very beautiful. She's a beautiful girl. You
Yeah,
can't take
she's
that away
beautiful.
from her.
No, she's beautiful. But you don't what?
I don't understand her person.
Me too.
Yeah.
Because sometimes she can come off as...
I think she's still fake.
Yeah.
I don't think she's showing her true self yet.
Yes.
Every time she opens her mouth, it's always about one random thing, and I'm like, what are
and she
you?
wants whatever she says
To be validated.
Yes. I feel like she wants to be right.
Yes.
Like if we're having a discussion now,
she'll say, so
yeah. Wait, hold on, let me tell you.
You know, from when I was young, I used to think that. I'm like, girl, shut the fuck up, man. That story might not even be true.
Yeah, and you guys will be having a conversation. She will just come off as, no, that's not true. Like she's trying to just give your own points. Don't counter. She's like, no, that's not true. When I used to, even yesterday when we were playing that game, when it got to her tongue,
you know,
I just keep saying next, covering my mouth, so she don't know it's me. Like let's move on.
I don't understand that yet. She's just the all over the place type of babe. Who are you really?
I can't really tell Dede because we don't talk.
Yeah, but Dede is so sweet.
We don't talk, but I feel like she'll be a very...
She's a vibe.
Yeah.
You just don't know it yet. I think she's just very selfish with herself. And I think when you've done the work, sometimes when you just feel like, oh, I'm that bitch, you just don't want to give it to everybody.